Tissue paper crafts are fun, colorful, and versatile, perfect for all ages. Here are some creative ideas to get you started. Tissue paper craft ideas. 1. Tissue paper flowers. Cut and layer tissue paper in bright colors, fold accordion style, tie the center with wire, and fan out to create petals. Perfect for bouquets or decor. 2. Stained glass art. Cut tissue paper into small shapes and stick them on wax paper using glue to create a stained glass effect. Frame it to hang near a window. 3. Tissue paper pom-poms. Fold multiple sheets, tie the middle, and fluff out the edges to create large pom-poms for parties or events of 4. Tissue paper collages. Layer tissue paper pieces on a canvas or cardboard to create vibrant scenes, abstract art, or shapes like hearts or animals. 5. Tissue paper lanterns. Decorate jars or lantern frames with tissue paper cutouts for a soft, colorful glow when lit with fairy lights or candles. 6. Tissue paper garland. Fold, cut, and layer tissue paper strips into tassels or shapes to string together as festive garlands. 7. Tissue paper gift wrap embellishments. Add fringes, flowers, or cutouts to enhance gift wrapping with unique designs.